at home. So the three main dangers are, the three main hazards are damaged insulation, overheating of cables, and then damp conditions. So three of them. So these are the three. So damaged insulation is like this. I mean, in picture form, you may find something at home that has this kind of wire, cable, and it's broken. The outer casing is broken, and then you see the inside. I hope you don't have such things at home right now. It's quite dangerous. So for people with pets at home, like rabbits and cats, you might see this kind of thing very often because cats and rabbits tend to chew on wires. So when the cable is the outer protection, right? The protective cover is kind of gone. So then you have this in another layer of insulation, and then this is the actual electrical wire. So if it happens that if the live wire is exposed, right, the live wire will touch each other and you'll get a short circuit. Short circuit will cause metal casings to become live. If the metal casing becomes live, the user touches the metal casing, they get electrocuted immediately. Okay, or because there's a short circuit, a lot of energy comes out, so then there is overheating. Overheating will cause fire. So then you have overheated cables comes from this kind of situation. You have anything like that at home?
No.
Okay, good. So when a user does this and switches on every appliance out there, there is a lot of current that is drawn out. So if the current is high, the temperature of this thing may be high, and the high temperature will melt the insulation, then you'll cause fire. Damaged insulation also cause short circuit as explained earlier. Then this damp conditions is like this. Maybe you have an electric socket like this, and then you accidentally spill water on it. So what happened is, right, if there is a damp condition, there is a chance that electric current will travel to our body via the water. Then you get the electric shock. Then it's horror, dangerous. So this is just for fun. This is very much for information and for fun because a lot of students ask me, so how much electricity can kill me? Okay. So some statistics says that the human body can only withstand up to 50 milliamperes. So a human has some electrical resistance. So it has the inside, you have the body, right? You have resistance of the body, and then you have resistance of the resistance on the skin. So if the body is dry, the resistance of the skin is quite high. It is higher than the resistance of the body. So because resistance high, right, then current flowing into the body is very low. The body can withstand higher amount of current. But if your body becomes wet, or if the user down there, the body becomes wet, the skin resistance will drop a lot. So then it's very easy for current to flow into the body of the human with the wet skin. So you get electrocuted like that. That's why teachers say that you should not touch the power point, the electric socket with wet hands because of that. Because the wet hands will have much lower resistance than dry hands. So if it's 1 milliampere, you cannot feel anything from the electricity. So if it's 3 to 9 milliampere, you probably feel pain. Okay, 25 to 60, you cannot breathe already. So it's actually quite possible fatal already. Then the rest we don't have to talk about already. I think it's confirmed death. You see. So because of those issues, you will need safety devices.